went around Waco today, knocking on some doors, asking homeowners if their homes are ready for the winter. Most of them told me no. So we've got some tips to help you stay safe and warm.
If there's a cold snap and a lot of heaters break at the same time, you're just going to be waiting, and unfortunately that could be costly in the sense of comfort.
Sitting for hours in your cold home waiting for a heater replacement part. That could be the reality for many who don't get maintenance on their HVAC.
We don't ever need the heat until we do.
HVAC professional Brian Peters says during the summer they get repair call after repair call, but most people don't take the winter seriously.
We get to our fall and everyone starts to take a deep breath of, I made it, I'm okay, my house is fine.
Taking that sigh of relief and not getting routine maintenance on your HVAC.
Where the unit goes from the closet up into the attic, I had a pretty big gap between the sheetrock and the air conditioning system, and they filled all that in for me, and I'm good to go for the winter.
Other things to keep in mind: changing your filters every 30 to 60 days. Homeowners should also keep debris away from outdoor units.
Leaves or bushes or trees, because that's the air exchange that helps to cool off or heat up the refrigerant, whichever process we're doing.
Peter says if you have gas in your home, you need to make sure fittings are tight and there are no leaks.
So all those really need to be done by a professional, or you need to be a trained professional to have a leak detector or a CO2 sensor or something in the home to protect you and your family.
For those of you turning your heaters on and getting that burning smell, Peter says that's normal. It's the collected dust on the heat strips or coils. In studio, Dominic Lay, 25 News.